Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix we're permanently limiting your account on PayPal. First, log into your PayPal account. Look for the bell icon at the top of the page. Click it and open the Resolution Center. Inside the Resolution Center, PayPal will show you what actions are required. This may include verifying your identity or explaining certain transactions. Read everything carefully so you know exactly what is needed. Next, submit any requested documents. PayPal may ask for a government-issued photo ID, proof of address, or invoices related to your sales or payments. Make sure your documents are clear and valid. Upload them through the secure PayPal system and wait for their response. If you still do not understand the reason for the limitation, contact PayPal customer support. You can use their chat or phone support. Ask them to review your account and explain the restriction. Stay calm and provide accurate information when they ask questions. If your account is permanently limited, PayPal may hold your funds for up to 180 days. This is done to cover possible disputes or chargebacks. After this period, you may be able to withdraw your remaining balance. Finally, do not try to create a new PayPal account while your current one is limited. This can violate PayPal policies and may lead to further restrictions. By following these steps, you can better understand your situation and take the correct actions. Thanks for watching.